China International Import Expo serves to showcase China's major opening up measures and confidence, and to share China's new development opportunities with other countries. How does the CIIE consistently attract foreign enterprises with its compelling appeal? Let's explore the 7th edition of the CIIE alongside Fortune Global 500 companies to find out. Gathering all the global top 10 medical equipment companies, as well as 10 Fortune 500 pharmaceutical companies, the exhibition area for medical equipment and healthcare products is truly the highlight of the 7th CIIE. With the theme, Healthy China, Better Life, this area aims to support the development of a strong healthcare system in China and highlight the latest trends in the medical industry. Today, I'm glad to have Mr. Deng with us, a Senior VP of BD, a leading global medical technology company. Hello and welcome.
Hi.
Could you show us a little bit around what kind of new products you have?
Yeah, this is the 7th CIIE. We brought about 15 new products into the CIIE. You will see they are ranging from UCC, urine care and critical care, as well as oncology care, and also the nursing care. In our past experience, 95% of our product brought into CIIE eventually launched in China. This are all from our global research and development portfolio, and based on our research, this is one of our most well-developed product. It's been very successful in US launch. Disposable female drone trough. This is replace the traditional urine catheter to reduce the infection rate and improve clinical value.
So why do you want to debut this new product specifically at the CIIE?
CIIE is becoming an increasingly important platform for multinationals to introduce their product into China, because there's a lot of different stakeholders coming to this platform. We can easily demo the product to our users, healthcare professionals, so then they can easily adopt the product. But of course, you still have to do a lot of the other online and the offline marketing campaign, distribution, to make sure our product is available all over China, including the 31 provinces, a couple hundred cities.
What kind of products have you introduced to address the needs of the aging population specifically?
Aging population is a huge challenge for China and also opportunity for us. We believe there's 6 areas based on our innovative technology we can address. This is ranging from clinical disease, diabetes care, hypertension, and so on and so forth, oncology, and also the nutrition. So we believe this is a huge opportunity for us.
The size of China's healthcare industry is expected to reach 16 trillion yuan by 2030, according to Healthy China 2030 outline released by the Chinese government. The quest for longer, healthier lives has fueled the growth of the longevity industry, a rapidly expanding sector dedicated to extending human lifespan and enhancing quality of life. For the exhibitors in this field at the CIIE, China offers abundant business opportunities that are hard to resist.